Hello everyone, today our topic is insect resistant Bt cotton. So Bt toxin produced from the Bacillus thuringiensis. So this is the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. This Bacillus thuringiensis produce the Bt toxin. Bt toxin also considered as the endotoxin. So these endotoxins kills a wide variety of group of insect pests. So but not harmful to humans and so other domestic animals. Here Cry genes are isolated from the Bacillus thuringiensis. So these genes are linked with the 35 years promoter of cauliflower mosaic virus. So now cry-genes and 35 years promoter of cauliflower mosaic virus. So these two are linked with the TI plasmid vector. Then form a recombinant DNA. So these recombinant DNA introduced into the cotton plant cells or any plant cells. These genes introduced into the cotton plant cells. So these cells will grow in culture medium, that is the tissue culture medium. Then only they develop into adult one. So the adult plant is known as the Bt cotton, that is also a transgenic plants. So some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis produce the proteins that kills the certain insects such as the lepidopterans, coleopterans and dipterans. So lepidopterans, what are the lepidopterans? Tobacco budworm and armworm are the lepidopterans. Beetles are the coleopterans. Flies and mosquitoes are dipterans. Look here, this is the insect. If the insect infect the Bt cotton plant, the Bt cotton plant produces the Bt toxin crystals. So the Bt toxin crystals coded the genes are Cry1AC. Cry1AC. The Cry1AC, that is the toxin coded gene. So here Bt toxin crystals are inactive toxins, also known as the inactive toxin, also known as the protaxin. The inactive toxin also known as the protaxin. The protaxin, when enter into the gut of the insect by the ingestion process, they are converted to active toxins at the alkaline pH, that is the 8.6. Okay, so the activated toxin binds to the surface of midgut epithelial cells, hence they create a pores on the midgut of epithelial cells. Cells are swelling and lies due to the osmosis. So finally cells are death and eventually cause the death of the insect. So here toxin coded genes are Cry genes. These are Cry1AC, Cry2AB, Cry1AB. Cry1AC and Cry2AB controls the cotton bollworms. Cry1AB controls the corn borer. Let us discussing about some of the important questions on Bt cotton in NEET level. So Bt cotton is not resistant to all pests, is the right answer. So okay, Bt cotton is not resistant to all pesticides, but that is resistant to some of the pesticides. So next, second one, the trigger for activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is, so alkaline pH of the gut is the right answer. Next, fourth one, Bt toxin kills the insect by blocking the nerve conditions, no. By creating pores in the midgut, yes. Damaging the surface of trachea, no. By creating pores in the tracheal system, no. Okay, so here Bt toxin kills the insect by the creating pores in the midgut. So next one, which of the following Cry gene codes for the protein which can control the corn borer? So Cry1AB is the right answer. So that is discussed in the above diagram. So the protein products of the following Bt toxin genes, Cry1AC and Cry2AB, are responsible for the controlling bollworms. So next one, Cry1AB gene helps in the controlling corn borer. Okay. So and another one, insect resistant transgenic cotton has been produced by inserting a piece of DNA from a bacterium. So that is the Bacillus thuringiensis. So next one, which type of pH conditions are required for action of Bt toxin? So here Bt toxin acts at the alkaline pH, that is the 8.6. So all of the following statements are correct for the Bt toxin, but one is wrong. Which one is the wrong statement? So Bt taxin is produced by bacteria called Bacillus thuringiensis is the right statement. Bt taxin like thureoside and sporin are protein toxins which are active against different groups of insects. That is also right statement. So Bt taxin is harmful for man. No. So that is not harmful to the man. So this is the wrong statement and as the correct answer. Okay, so next fourth one, upon ingestion by susceptible insects, the beta protoxin is converted to active form and kills the insects. That is also right statement. So here asking the wrong statement, that is the third one is the correct answer. So thank you to all.